Yes.
So I'm sitting inside Tumelo is my son. Tumelo Nasdaq is Mr. L's friend. He came to visit my son. I want to share this with his followers. You see, dreaming is cheap until commitment to action comes into the picture. When you dream, there's no need for processing. Process is absent in the equation of dreaming. But the moment you want to bring the dream to manifestation, to a place where a dream is a reality, life places a demand on you to act. It is your action that determines your commitment to the dream. Now, unfortunately, you dream instantaneously within the space and the moment of the dream, but action requires a timeline. Now, when you lack patience, you undermine dream power. Now, what proves that you don't lack patience? It is when you appreciate the power of the demand of process. Process will always demand discipline, demand focus, demand smart work. You are smart, but you are a worker. So being smart does not exempt you from working. And work is not only hard labor. Thinking is also working. Keep winning. And remember, you become what you pursue. You become what you work on. You achieve what you invest in. Keep winning. And remember, life is not a joke. I'm happy for you, champ. Enjoy this car.
Thank you.